مرحبا حجون قنقنيا هنقصلينا idioms ናይ ከብዱ ተጋቢልዎ ክንብል ከለና ኣብ ልቡ ዓቂርዎ ዝነበረ ኣውጪዎ ወይ ደርግሕዎ ድማ ንብልና ብትግርኛ ደርግሕዎ ኣብ ልቡ ዓቂርዎ ዝነበረ ኣውጪዎ ናይ ከብዱ ተጋቢልዎ
He expressed his emotions. He revealed his feelings. He opened up about his emotions. He aired his feelings.
ናይ ከብዱ ተጋቢልዎ أرجف أبيلاتو تيلنا ما تاي مالتيو كتبلو زدلت بحنس أبيلاتو you know حنتق على لا أشنبب أبيلاتو نبلينا بتقرينيا أرجف أبيلاتو
She said everything in one go. She delivered it all together. She revealed it all in one breath. She unloaded everything at once.
أرجف أبيلاتو ልቡ ተረጋጊኡ ክንብል ከለና ድማ ተጻናኒዑ ወይ ድማ ዝጊሉ ንመባሊ ዘስማዕ ልቡ ተረጋጊኡ ተጻናኒዑ ዝጊሉ
He is calm now. He feels at ease now. He is more laid back now. He has become relaxed. He is now at peace.
ልቡ ተረጋጊኡ ሰላም ሰፊኑ ክንብል ከለና ወይ ድማ ነገር ረጊኡ ክንብል ከለና ሸብሮ ደውይሉ ንመባሊ ዘስማዕ ሸብሮ ደውይሉ ሰላም ሰፊኑ ነገር ረጊኡ
No more disorder. No more turmoil. No more confusion. No more upheaval. No more chaos.
ሰላም ሰፊኑ ነገር ረጊኡ ስንምራኺዩ ተልካዮ ንሰብ ገና ስንምራኺ ዘሎ ተልካያ ታማለትዩ ገና ጭልቅዕ ዘሎ ኣይተረረን ንሽተይ ዘሎ ንመባሊ
He is in his infancy. He is still in the infant stage. He is in his early years.
ስንምራኺ ንሽተይ ዘሎ ኣጎዛዩ ተልካያ ንሰብ ድማ ታማለትዩ ምስተረፍዐዩ ካብ ኮፍ ዝበሎ አይትንስእንዩ ንመባሊ ዘስማዕ ሐካዩ አጎዛዩ
He is a sedentary person. He is a lazy individual. He is always lounging around. He is a slothful person.
አጎዛዩ ንሰፍላላ ይኾነላ ክንብል ከለና ድማ ንዘይ ጻዕረዩ ዝኾነሉ ንመባሊ ዋል ኩሉ ግዜ ይኮነን نزعري زخونالو ግን كم عينت بهلا لنا نسفلالا يخونالا
The lazy ones get lucky. Luck favors the lazy. The idle find luck. Fortune smiles on the lazy.
نسفلالا يخونالا وازا فزازا كنبل كلنا دما ጥብቅ ዘይኮነ ሸለልትነት ዘለዎ ወይ ሸለልትነት ዝመልኦ ጥብቅ ዘይኮነ
To be frivolous. To lack seriousness. To be light-hearted. To not be earnest.
ዋዛ ፈዛዛ ሓዲግ ሰማይ ሓዲግ ምድሪ ክንብል ከለና ድማ መንጎ ማለት እዩ ሓዲግ ሰማይ ሓዲግ ምድሪ
In limbo. In a state of uncertainty. In a gray area. In a state of indecision.
حديق سماي حديق مدري مسكيناي عدم ساعته تفيون ولا نسب ولا زخونه ولا اخلون عدم ساعته تلكايوم تاع مالتيو ابقفو خياتو مالتيو ግን نسب زياده عدم ساعته تفيو تلكايوم مس ጎበዘ كندسب مسكونه مس ጎበዘ مش شوته تفيون مبالي زسمع
As he matured, he vanished. When he matured, he disappeared. With maturity, he vanished. As he grew up, he disappeared.
عدم ساعته وتفيه ጎልጎሉ ዝወደአ ክንብል ከለና ንኣብነት ንህፃን እግሪ ተኺሉ ኣደልዲሉ ክረግጽ ምስ ጀመረ ማለት እዩ እግሪ ተኺሉ ዝተረረ ንብሎ ብትግርኛ
confident toddler, steady first-time walker, solid early stepper, stable beginner walker.
ጎልጎሉ ዝወደየ ቆጽሉ ዝረገፈ ክንብል ከለና ድማ ዝኣረገ ወይ ድማ ዝሸምገለ ንምባል ይስማዕ
That has aged, that is now old, that has grown old, that has become elderly.
ቆጽሉ ዝረገፈ ደፍዲፉ ዝበልዕ እንታይ ኢልናዮ ንሰብ ድማ እሱ ደኣ ደፍዲፉ ዝበልዕ እንዲሁ ምሽክናይ ድላዩ ዘይረክብ ዓቂኑ ዝበልዕ ንምባል እዩ ዘስምዕ
He lives economically. He lives on a budget. He lives frugally.
ደፍዲፉ ዝበልዕ ኣቕሓ ልማኖ እዩ ተልካዮ ንዝኾነ ነገር ኣቕሓ ልማኖ እዩ ማለት ሲ ለሜንካ ዘምጻኻዮ ከምቲ ዘምጻኻዮ ድማ ከም ጌርካ ክትመልሶ ስለ ዘለካ ጥንቃቐ የድልዮ እዩ ማለት እዩ ጥንቃቐ ዘድልዮ እዩ ንምባል እዩ
It needs careful handling. It demands careful attention. It needs to be handled with care.
ኣቕሓ ልማኖ እዩ ብትሕቲ እግሪ እያ ትሓልፍ ተልካያ ዋ እሳ ደኣ ብትሕቲ እግሪ እንድያ ትሓልፍ ኣዝያ ትፈርሖ እያ ተኽቡረ እያ ትእዘዞ እያ ንምባል እዩ ዘስምዕ
She respects and obeys him. She honors and follows him. She admires and complies. She respects and adheres.
ብትሕቲ እግሪ እያ ትሓልፍ ቪድዮና ኣብዚ ወዲና ኣለና ብዝተረፈ ሰናይ ተጥዕሙ ንዓኻትኩም see you in the next video